Algeria is a country located in North Africa. It is the largest country on the African continent and the 10th largest country in the world. The capital and largest city is Algiers. Algeria has a diverse population, with Arab Berber being the largest ethnic group. Islam is the dominant religion, with the majority of the population adhering to Sunni Islam. Algeria has a rich history and cultural heritage. The region has been inhabited for thousands of years, with various civilizations and empires leaving their mark on the country. Algeria was under French colonial rule from the mid-19th century until 1962, when it gained independence following a long and bloody struggle. The Algerian economy is largely driven by the oil and gas industry, which accounts for the majority of the country's export revenue. However, the country has been facing economic challenges, including high unemployment and a large informal economy. Algeria has also faced political instability in recent years.